This is Eric Mwathe with Mwathe.com with a weekend market analysis video for March 13th and 14th, 2021, with about 2 hours to go before the close of the session for this Friday. This is how markets are trading, and we see the Dow recording a fresh intraday all-time high, which has been the theme for this past week. In this video, I'll be discussing the general market. I'll also be discussing Bitcoin, the NIFTY, and the Canadian market, among other instruments. Let's begin with the leader for this week, which is the Dow. And the Dow for the week is up about 3.75 as we come close to the end of the session. Again, end of the week. And we can see on the daily, the Dow just touching a fresh all-time intraday high level. So in the short term, in my opinion, whether we continue seeing this daily uptrend, which we've seen over the last, let's call it 5 trading sessions or so, where the Dow has been positive each day, about 6 back-to-back positive gains, is going to be dependent on whether or not the RSI on the daily can move above and stay above 69.1 on the daily time frame. We are also watching this to see whether it ends up forming negative divergence or not. So as we've made higher highs, what the bears want to see here as a setup is the market making a lower high, but that's going to need a negative down day to confirm that negative divergence look. And again, movement above 69.1 is what the bulls want to see, so this market can continue trending higher. The same thing can be said as far as the weekly chart is concerned. Whether the Dow continues higher week to week is going to be dependent on whether it can move and hold above RSI 69.1 on the week. Of course, if we end up seeing a week-to-week reversal around here, with prices drifting from this current level, then that in itself would be negative divergence, given that we've seen a good price improvement. But if we stall around here week to week, that stalling would confirm yet again RSI 69.1 rejection and would visually give us negative divergence, which could actually be good enough to set the market and move the market lower. In other words, what the bulls want to see is the market moving and reclaiming the level above RSI 69.1. That concludes the free portion of this video. The rest of the video is for paid Mwathe.com subscribers. For Mwathe.com subscribers, let's continue on.